Hello students, today I am going to teach Artificial Intelligence for CBSE class 9th. You can see I have this curriculum which is given by CBSE, and in the website you can check this curriculum is there where the detailed explanation of artificial intelligence is there, what class 9 student has to study. So you can see I'll be teaching. AI is divided into multiple parts. First one is help learner understand the world of AI and its application through game, activity, sensorial learning to become AI ready. You know that AI is there everywhere. Whether you do ChatGPT, whether you are using uh, Tesla car, a Siri, whether you are using Alexa, then everywhere there is AI, you are giving instruction, and based on your instruction, you are getting the output. So, introducing the learner to three domain of AI. We will study the domain of AI, allowing the learner to construct meaning of AI through interactive participation and engaging hands-on activity. There will be hands-on activity like robotics is a very good example of hands-on activity which is based on AI. We will study the AI project cycle, and we will study introduction to the learner to the programming skill. We will study basic Python coding language with AI. We know that Python is there in class 6 to 8 computer science. Python is there in class 11 and 12, and Python is there in BSc, MSc curriculum, MCA curriculum is also there. Few year back, Python was not included in the curriculum. It was Java, C and C++, and in master degree it was JavaScript, CSS and HTML. But nowadays Python is inbuilt with every programming language. Whether you'll see the ad of scalar and all, they will tell you that you can get the certification, and you will be uh, able to gain the knowledge of that chat gpt expert, and you will be an expert in natural language processing and machine learning. But before that, you need to study the basic of AI, and you need to study the basic of Python coding language. So Python is basic, and the basic of Python is now understood by every students nowadays. So what will be the learning outcome of this? Identify and appreciate artificial intelligence and describe its application in daily life. When we will study this curriculum, we will study the different application and different example of application in daily life also. We will relate, apply and reflect on the human machine interaction to identify and interact with the three domain of AI. That is, what are the three domain of AI? The three domain of AI is data, computer vision and natural language processing. We have data, we have computer vision, and we have natural language processing. These are the three different fields of AI. For analyzing their progress towards acquired AI readiness skill. Now we'll study, imagine and examine and reflect on the skill required for futuristic job opportunities. Unleash their imagination towards smart home and build an interactive story around it. Nowadays, when we see movies, then we see that movies are also very technically good. Means AI is there. They are using the. I have seen many ads where people are using that home cleaner. What is that? The home cleaner they are using, which is automated. So anything which is automated is there with the help of AI. Now we'll understand the impact of AI on sustainable development goal to develop responsible citizenship. Research and develop awareness of skill required for job of the future. Nowadays, AI is there everywhere, Python is there everywhere, and people are doing research in the field of branches or domains of AI also. Gain awareness about AI bias and AI access and describe the potential ethical consideration of AI. What is AI access? Means there is a majority of people who are unaware of the technical things. They are not able to use AI. On the other hand, there are people who are able to use AI. So the public is divided into two part. One which is able to use AI, which is called AI access people, and the other which is not able to access AI, which is called AI they cannot access the AI facilities. AI bias means there are people who know AI, then they are getting better opportunities. So they are biased because they have the understanding of AI. On the other hand, there are people who are unaware of AI, so they find themselves underestimated, and they find that they don't have the basic skills of AI. Now, develop effective communication and collaborative work skills. Get familiar and motivated toward artificial intelligence and identify the AI project cycle framework. We will study the AI project cycle framework. जैसे we have studied the software development life cycle SDLC phase. SDL सॉफ्टवेयर को डेवलपमेंट करने के लिए भी वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ फेजेस. हम हर सॉफ्टवेयर को हर अलग अलग फेजेस से गुजरना होता है. जैसे शुरू में उसकी किसी सॉफ्टवेयर को बनाने के लिए वी नीड टू कलेक्ट द डेटा कि व्हाट आर द डेटा वी आर गोइंग टू बी नीडेड व्हेन वी मेक अ सॉफ्टवेयर. जैसे कोई भी सॉफ्टवेयर बनाते हैं, जैसे कि तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम जाते हैं पहले, जैसे हमें हॉस्पिटल मैनेजमेंट बनाना है. तो when I was a student, then my teacher was telling me that you need to visit a hospital to see what are the things are there in the hospital. Hospital में कौन कौन सी चीज़ें होती हैं, how many branches are there, how many people are working, who are the doctors and the surgeons, and many things. So this is called the requirement gathering. And फिर उस requirement gathering के basis पे वी नीड टू कलेक्ट द डेटा कि हमें ये अपने सॉफ्टवेयर में डालना है, फिर हमें कैसे डिज़ाइन करना है, उसमें क्या क्या चीज़ें डालनी है, उसके बाद उसकी टेस्टिंग होती थी. Just like that, we have the AI project cycle. Means when we will develop anything with the help of AI, then uski bhi project cycle hogi. That first of all, we need to gather the requirement. Then we need to manifest the requirement. Means हमें उस requirement को collect करके we need to use some programming language to develop the front end and back end framework of the software. Learn problem scoping and way to get goal for a AI project, and understand the iterativeness of problem solving in AI project cycle. Iterativeness means how many times a problem will occur. हमने जो मशीन बनाया तो मशीन में प्रॉब्लम होगा. We can see that we have a washing machine, we have a car, we have a motorcycle, then it has some issue one on the other hand. So when we have something which we have developed with the help of AI, then there will be some sort of problem, and we need to be ready with the solution there only. So next topic is brainstorm on the ethical issues involved around the project selected, problem selected. Nowadays we are very digital involved. So we know that we need to do phone pay, we need to send the money online, we need to uh, put our address everywhere, we need to put our email ID everywhere. So there will be ethical issues. Means somebody will be there who will be using our credit card and debit card detail, who will be using our things to get our money or get our properties or anything. So we need to brainstorm on the ethical issues. There are ethical issues. हमें AI जब हम AI पढ़ेंगे तो we need to study the ethics also. That when we will be in social media, then there are some social issues which we need to follow, and what are the things we should not do as a student or as a professional. Foresee the kind of data required and the kind of analysis to be done. Identify data requirement and find reliable sources to obtain relevant data. Now, the 13th point is use various type of graphs to visualize acquired data. AI का काम डेटा विजुअलाइजेशन भी होता है. What is data visualization? विजुअलाइजेशन मतलब हम जब कोई पीपीटी बनाते हैं या फिर जब हम कोई मैप्स देखते हैं, ग्राफ्स देखते हैं, ग्राफ्स के बेसिस पे, वीडियो के बेसिस पे, इमेज के बेसिस पे हम डेटा को एनालिसिस करते हैं. एआई का काम डेटा एनालिसिस भी होता है. सपोज फॉर एग्जांपल we have done a shopping of a bag or a dress from a e-commerce site. तो we can see that हमें उसी ड्रेस या उसी बैग का रेलिवेंट सजेशन हमें बार बार अपने साइट में मिलता है. ये क्या है? इट इज़ डेटा एनालिसिस. सो व्हाट इज़ डेटा एनालिसिस? डेटा एनालिसिस मीन्स बेस्ड ऑन आवर डेटा. जब मशीन हमारे डेटा के बेसिस पे हमें एनालाइज करता है कि दिस इज़ द यूज़र रिक्वायरमेंट, और उसके बेसिस पे हमें सजेशन देता है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड डेटा एनालिसिस. तो यहाँ पे और भी पॉइंट्स है विच आई विल मेक यू अंडरस्टैंड when we'll study the curriculum of AI. Thank you very much. Have a nice day.